Welcome to my YouTube channel Facts with Samahan. Hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, you will see the cost and release of new Chinese drama Amidst a Snowstorm of Love. So guys, make sure that you watch this video till the end. If you haven't, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So guys, let's start the video. His stage name is Leo Wu. His date of birth is December 26, 1999 and he is currently 24 years old. Her stage name is Zhao Jinmai. Her date of birth is September 29, 2002 and she is currently 21 years old. His stage name is Wang Xinjie. His date of birth is March 5, 2002 and he is currently 22 years old. Her stage name is Ding Xiaoying. Her date of birth is June 24, 1996 and she is currently 27 years old. His stage name is Chen Jingke. His date of birth is March 11, 1997 and he is currently 27 years old. His stage name is Dong Si Fan. His date of birth is July 31, 1997 and he is currently 26 years old. His stage name is Wang Zhanzi. His date of birth is November 28, 1993 and he is currently 30 years old. Her stage name is Lai Ao. Her date of birth is December 9, 1999 and she is currently 24 years old. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video then don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that and take care. Bye bye.